This is Flynn's jet flying video. Give it a test, Flynn. Okay, pull it back, pull the power off. Come on, let's go. Let's go out to the field. Yeah, take it out to the field that way. Let's go. Faster, faster. Now you got to get out into the middle, Flynn, or it might go on the road. Quick.
Did you catch all that?
Yep, got that. Quick, you got to go that way. I don't know what this thing's doing. You want Uncle to throw the jet?
Yes.
Whoa, holy crap, what was that? Woohoo! There it goes. Is it coming back, G? Holy crap, those seagulls look pissed, mate. They don't look too happy. Oh, wickedy. Flynn, did you see that?
Yeah.
The seagulls are chasing it. Look at them.
That's better. Did you catch all that?
Holy crap, look at all the
Catch all that.
seagulls.
Did you catch all that? Did you film it all?
Go get it, G. The seagulls are coming after it. Let's go, Flynn, what are we doing? Is it working?
I turned it off.
Oh, now we'll do another video.